In this video, we're going to show you how to transfer the information out of the DVI in AutoTextMe to your work order in TireShop. You'll see the inspection has been completed on this order. We can open the DVI and review the data. You'll see all the information here, an overview here below. Any pictures and notes are going to show up. And we're going to go ahead and transfer all of that data straight over to TireShop by actually going into TireShop, going to TS Inspect, adding to the DVI results, and waiting for the transfer to complete. All of our notes that were taken in the DVI and status markings will transfer. Now we can open this ticket and we can see these notes listed as recommendations, able to be printed on your work order.